Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be showing you how to make some creamy and delicious matcha pie. This recipe is adapted from a New York Times recipe, and I will link that down below in the description. In a large bowl, we're going to go ahead and get started by adding our sugar, flour, salt, and matcha powder. And if you guys are looking for a good brand for matcha, I would recommend using Enlightened Matcha. I'll leave more details about the brand in my description box below. So we're going to throw in 2 teaspoons of matcha powder into this mix and then whisk it all together. Once all of your ingredients are combined, go ahead and add in 1 stick of melted butter. Yeah, I don't know why I took the bowl away from the screen and then put it back in, just don't worry about it. So go ahead and whisk the butter into your dry ingredients, and then we're going to add in 3 whole eggs, 1 at a time, and then 1 egg yolk just for extra creaminess. Then go ahead and add in your vanilla and heavy cream and mix that in as well. Once that's done, go ahead and get out 1 pre-baked pie shell. I like using the Trader Joe's pie crust that is frozen and you can just roll it out because it tastes really good and buttery compared to other pie crusts that I've used. So go ahead and pre-bake your pie shell and then go ahead and pour in your matcha mixture through a sieve into the pie crust. We're gonna bake the pie at a lower temp at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 55 minutes to maybe an hour until the inside jiggles just a little bit, but most of the pie is set. And then you are ready to go ahead and enjoy this creamy matcha pie. It kind of reminds me of like an egg custard pie with a hint of matcha flavor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.